Hi everyone. I hope you had a good week, and as I see, we have many contributions in our forums and with the media releases. So try to engage in some communication with each other. That would be lovely, and I hope we can learn from there. So this is our week 2 message, and I hope by now everyone has had a look at all the documents uploaded on the portal. If not, please do so. And as I will point out later, it's also time to maybe print out your assessment brief and slowly have a look at it, also in regards to our lecture 2. Because the theories which are taught in that class are essential for your academic essay. So you can have a look at the theories and maybe pick up 5 and say, oh, that's the ones who appeal to me. And or if you see any relevance to social media, and maybe already take some notes and collect them and the references for your essay. Yes, the theories I did put up under the to-do a little theory exercise, so try to answer all those questions. This will help you a little bit to get through the jungle of those theories. The good news is this is the worst bit. Once you've done this, it's gonna get better. So unfortunately with this unit, it's like the tough stuff at the beginning. So if you manage the theories, it's gonna be good from now and more straightforward. So you pick 5 out of them. Yes, I put this theory exercise Word document on there, answer all those questions. And to give you a little hint for the quiz next week, I would have and for further assessments or exams, number 8, 11, 12, 14, 17, 18, 21 and 22 are really important ones, so have a more thorough look at them. Grunik's 4 models of PR, the cognitive dissonance, it's a very, very important one, and Everett Rogers, like the 5 points of how to introduce innovation. They are also important, the theories, for your understanding of PR work, because you need to understand the psychology of your publics to say, how can I actually get a message, a reaction to a message? Yeah, how can I change behavior? How can I change attitudes? I put up another document which I call Theory Overview, and it's just a little short document to give you a little bit, a short impression and overview what's out there and what connection relevance it has to each other. So there's like theories of PR, there are general theories, there are models of communication and models of persuasion. So have a look at this and maybe it just will help you a little bit. Another advice I would like to give you is don't consider the lecture notes as additional things to learn. It's more, it narrows it down, it pinpoints what is important. So after you read your textbook and study guide, the lecture notes really narrow it down, and if you go through them, then you know, okay, that's it. I know all what's required. And also for the quizzes and upcoming exams, they are quite related to the lecture notes. It does not say you can only read the lecture notes, but they are helpful. So what else? Oh yeah, press release. I would like you all to write a press release for next week. If you can't, just do it a little bit later. Don't miss out on that. It's an opportunity for you to actually practice how to write one. And I'll give you individual feedback, so we won't discuss that in any forum. It's just you write and see. You'll find the rules of how to write a press release in the other slides uploaded on the portal. And there is actually a formal way how to write a press release as well. So you need the date, you need a catchy headline, you need to actually to write it's a press release. Then of course you have your introduction, body, and below at the end you need the company name, your name, Twitter account, website, telephone, and other social media you would use. And remember that format, that will be really important for your quiz number 3, I think. So it's not only what's in there, but how do you actually as well, write it. Another thing is, it's not only, as I said in the discussion forum, about the W's in the press release. It's also about, is there anything newsworthy? Have a look on the slide. What does newsworthiness means? And if there is nothing newsworthy, either don't write a press release or create something newsworthy. So that's similar to saying creating a buzz about something. Yeah, make it interesting for people. And the other thing which you need to know with press releases is the term pitch. Pitch usually means what is interesting for the journalist about this press release. So if there's nothing newsworthy, you can't really pitch it. It's not just about we have to say something from the organization and we want it published. What else? So I did tell you about, print out your essay brief and have a thorough look at that. And I think that's probably more or less what I wanted to tell you this week. So if you have any other questions, please use the chat on Tuesday night. I would love to see more people on that. And ask the question in discussion forum so everyone can actually see. The quiz one is going to happen next week. You can do it anytime you want, but it will be timed. So once you press the start button, you have, I think, the allocated 15 minutes or whatever it will say. And that's the time frame you have to actually do the quiz. So don't worry, it's just a couple of true and answer questions, and I think you all will be fine if you have a look at the lecture slides and answer the questions I uploaded for you. So I hope this helps, and we'll stay in touch. Have good learning, have a good weekend, and see you next week. Bye.